Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best in product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something that every homeowner should consider: the GE Whole House Water Filtration System. If you want clean, clear water for your entire household, you're in the right place. Stick around to find out why this is the best whole house water filter on the market. The GE Whole House Water Filtration System is designed to reduce sediment, rust, and more from your household water supply. It's a complete package that includes an installation kit and accessories. However, please note that the filter itself is not included, so you'll want to get one of these compatible filters: FXWTC, FXUSC, FXWPC, or FXWSC. You'll need to replace the filter every 3 months for optimal performance. Now, let's dive into the key features that make this filtration system stand out. This system is highly effective at reducing sediment and impurities in your plumbing and appliances. Say goodbye to rust and other contaminants in your water. Installing the GE Whole House Water Filtration System is a breeze, thanks to the included installation kit. It comes with a 3/4 inch plumbing connection, pressure relief valve, bypass option, mounting bracket, and even a remote filter reminder light for hassle-free installation and filter changes. The clear sump design allows for easy viewing of the filter, so you'll always know when it's time for a replacement. You can choose from different models to suit your specific needs, whether it's the GXWH20T, GXWH50M, or GXWH70M. Each model comes with its own set of features. Installing the GE Whole House Water Filtration System is straightforward, but remember to follow the provided instructions for the best results. And don't forget to replace the filter every 3 months to ensure your water remains clean and safe. In conclusion, the GE Whole House Water Filtration System is a top-notch choice for anyone looking to improve the quality of their household water. With its easy installation, clear sump design, and effective filtration, it's no wonder why it's one of the best whole house water filters on the market. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this filtration system, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.